Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to unbox some of the items I got from Amazon. This video is not sponsored. Remember to hit on that subscribe button for more videos. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's jump into this unboxing video. Okay guys, me again. So I'll start with this. Let's see what's here. So the items are from Amazon, and once again this is not a sponsored video. Woo! These are Christmas outfits, guys. Christmas outfits. Oh guys, I can't wait to put it on. So this is like, ooh, this is for Christmas. So these are Christmas costume, guys, from Amazon. I'll put it on and then you'll get to see how it looks like. So guys, this is what I ordered, what I was expecting, and this is what was delivered. So that's me taking photos. I like it. And I was trying to dance to a Christmas song. I'm not gonna post it here for copyright, but then let me know what you think about my Christmas outfit. Rate it, okay? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you.